In about a minute's time, you are going to be able to create the perfect landing page that converts like crazy above the fold for your service or SaaS business. I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm co-founder here at ConversionWise, and for the last decade plus, I've been obsessing over landing page design. And in this video, I'm going to show you a before and after transformation of a client who hired us to optimize their landing page to generate them more business. Let's jump straight into the changes. We start with point number 1, and we just simply optimized the navigation. We've pulled the link up to the left, which allows us to have the breadcrumb on the right on mobile. It's a lot clearer, a lot easier to see, and therefore people can get to that all-important menu. Point number 2 is we've added some social proof. Why haven't these people added social proof on their landing page? It's such a big lever when it comes to conversions. Just put the stars, the amount of happy customers you've served, and you've ticked that box. Speaking of ticking that box, if you look below, we have made far more of that headline. We've then added a supporting headline, which reads much, much better than the old previous version where it was far too small, far too confusing to read. And it's supported by point number 3, the all-important call to action. Where the hell is the call to action in the previous version? It isn't there, guys. If people can't take action above the fold on mobile on your landing pages, then you're doing something dramatically wrong. We've used a full width pill button. It's a nice bright color that stands out. It has a directional cue, and of course, it has that very actionable call to action. Get started now. Now is one of my favorite words in CRO. Moving on to point number 4, we've reorganized that above the fold section, as you can see, and we've added what I call benefit-driven bullet points. These are 3 simple bullet points that allow people to easily scan your page and instantly get the value that you deliver to them in form of a benefit, and they can straight away see exactly what you do and how it benefits them as a consumer. Moving on to point number 5, if you look at their before page, they actually showcase some of their work. But until you press play, the videos didn't even show. A big mistake. Instead, we've got these beautiful thumbnails. They're in mobile view because you're viewing on a mobile. People can easily scroll through and see the quality of work that these guys deliver. These changes are going to dramatically increase their conversion rate and turn more clicks into those all-important customers. Speaking of doing so, if you've enjoyed this, make sure you hit subscribe. Check out our YouTube video for more videos. And also, why don't you check out our Conversion Rate Academy? There's a link in the description below. It's under $50, and you can actually learn how to optimize your entire website. Everything's there for you. We've got live trainings, we've got a full course, and we've got wireframes just like this and breakdowns. I'll see you on the inside, and I'll also see you on the very next video.